Damn, is that carbon fiber full? Damn, must be nice. Oh shit, what's going on here?
Yo, what up?
What's up? You getting ready for the track or what?
Yeah, New Year's.
Shit, my boy gonna go hiking?
Yup. Meek Mill, down Florida.
Damn, you got some new gear too? Sheesh. Damn, my boy going all out. You gotta match the bike. Okay, I see you. I see you.
Yes, sir.
Bro, is that a Veloster?
Nah, bro.
It's a Spitfire? Oh, the Chrysler. Oh, Spitfire. Oh. Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. It's the day before New Year's, so just trying to do some final stuff before the new year, for 2020. You feel me? But today's gonna be an easy install. We got the header, we got the intermediate shaft, and we're also gonna be throwing on the axles. So that's why the car is lifted up right now. I have plenty of space. With the K series, the intake manifold and exhaust is switched around, so plenty of room. If you guys are wondering what brand this header is, it's made by K24, so pretty nice. We throwing it on. Should look really good. Alright guys, so we got the axles by Hasport. Nice quality, nice and beefy. So I actually don't even know how much horsepower they're capable of holding, but
90.
90?
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
There you go.
Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's the half shaft right there, and I need the bolts. Oh, hey Marcel, can you handle that, please?
Shut your ass up.
Alright, thank you.
Hey! I'm sorry, bro. I tried. That was retarded.
Bro, just give us some peanut butter or something. You got peanut butter, right? I know you have peanut butter. Thank you. Alright, so that's the half shaft right there. I need the bolts that go into the block. It's 3 of them, but the dealership doesn't have them. But I think I can still put the axles on anyways. What happened?
Nothing. That's beat.
Alright guys, so I can still put on the axles anyways, so we're just gonna loosen up the spindles right now and then just finesse the axles in there. You feel me?
Yeah,
What the
sure.
fuck is so funny, Marcel?
Life, bro. Life's funny.
Alright.
It's
You
just,
good, bro?
Yeah, bro. I just wake up smiling. After I shit, but after that.
Holy shit, is that a Porsche Panamera? Is that a Porsche? Is that a Porsche Panera?
Panera? What? Panera bread? Put this on the cross turn.
Who the fuck put
You
this
down?
there? Huh?
Let me get this for the cross turn.
Oh, you want it? In the
Yeah.
trunk?
Honestly,
Oh.
we can do a straight shade.
Oh, you see the carbon fiber?
Yeah. I think it'll look nice on my shirt.
I think it'll fit.
Pretty sure.
Just take it off right now.
Actually, it might hit the glass a little bit. I'm not sure though.
Bro, that dog still bark.
Hey, bro, fuck broke boys.
Hey, dude. Honestly, fuck broke boys. But I don't know what I'm doing, but this has a hole. It looks like it goes in there, so I'm gonna just try to put it in there
Okay.
slowly. Alright guys, I got one axle in, but I torqued down 150. Wasn't too bad. Next side should be easy. But yep. Guys, one side down. That's how I'm gonna knock out the other one. And for this side, I'm actually gonna do like a time lapse and shit. I'm actually gonna like set down the camera, jack it up and all that, and show you guys the process. Cause that one I didn't even really record. Huh, Marcel?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. 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 Well, you don't like it? What's wrong with it? So guys, if you fuck with the beanies, these are actually sold out right now, but I'm making black ones. Same design, but it's gonna have a white Broke Boys with a gold star. So if you guys think these are dope, I'm gonna drop some black ones, and those should be out pretty soon. Damn.
Just straight dust bowl.
Damn, that's just loud.
That's a shitload of exhaust.
Dude. Oh, there goes our air quality. If you guys are wondering who that was Leo's cousin. Same cousin with the Cresta, Supra, Subaru, and now Cummins. But axle's in there. I just need to wiggle it in just a little bit more. It's not sticking out of the way, but it's pretty much in there. Both axles are in.
Snap.
And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the axle's at like a really weird angle. So I know with the EG subframe, if you get the hasport kit for those, like the hasport mounts, it's supposed to better align the axles. That's what I've read. I don't know, but as you guys can see, the axles are pretty like not even straight. Look at that. The other one doesn't look as bad as this one.
Maybe your caster's off a little bit.
This one's a lot straighter. I don't know if it's the kits, but I read with the EG subframe and the EG rack and pinion, oh, that's supposed to.
It's not that bad. I mean,
Yeah,
it's a little crooked, but
it's just a little.
probably your caster too.
Yeah, should be fine. Torqued. So there it is, guys. Header is on, and it looks so good. A nice and polished look. Still need to tighten them, but it's on there. Intermediate shaft is on. I just need to get the bolts that go into the block itself. But intermediate shaft is on. Axles are on. Better look right here. Oh, yep. Hey Leo, think I should just test fit these or what?
Oh, that's 1,000 or the Civic?
On the Civic. Or that's 2000, I mean. Or maybe your Civic.
My Civic?
Think about it. That'd be a good color combo.
Yep.
Silver with white.
What?
Alright guys, so that's all the parts I have right now to install. I actually started.
God damn.
This is not even half of it, but I started writing down the list. I think that's pretty essential, so you know what you need. But yeah, it's a lot of small things like lines. I need a radiator. I need a fuel pressure regulator. Just a bunch of stuff. Still need to write down more things. But yeah, if you guys want to see me install everything else, I need to start ordering a bunch of more shit. So I need a bunch of things to finish that. Still need to finish the interior. I still want to flock the dash, so before we put that back on, I will be flocking that. Yo, I hate how fast the days get dark. It's barely. It's not even 5 yet. It's already like pitch dark almost. Alright, Marcel, you good
I got
over
like
here?
half foot of leg in that fucking trench.
In this jungle?
Huh?
In this jungle, real quick?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on? My shit was loose or what?
Stretching my back out, trying to put these 20s on.
Hey, how heavy you think these are?
Probably like 10 pounds. Something slight.
Fucking Marcel, bro.
Why are you yelling at me for?
Dude,
Yeah, get my good side.
what you mean? Both sides are your good side.
No, it's not.
Man, this could pass for carbon fiber. Like from far away?
If you're retarded.
Wow. Well, I guess I'm retarded. Look at this, man. Look, just like a quick flash. Oh shit, is that carbon fiber? Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. I know it's kind of short. I only installed the header and the axles and the intermediate, not even the intermediate shaft because I need the bolts for that, but I'm going to order a lot of parts to finish that up, guys. It's a lot of little miscellaneous things, so if you guys want to help out or support, head down to the website. Link will be down in the description box. We'll be making more beanies, we'll be making more merch, so if you guys want to support, help out, it really mean a lot. So thank you guys for watching. You good over there?
Yeah.
If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel a lot. With that being said, that's it for this video. Be safe for New Year's. Don't be ratchet out there, you know. Be safe out there. People be drinking, so Happy New Year's.
We're gonna be drinking.
Well, we're gonna be drinking?
Yeah.
Are you gonna drive right now?
Hell yeah.
Oh, let me get a roller.
Alright, well let me get off this wood first. I would.
Bro, why you gotta shit on me like that, man? You just had to park next to me, huh? You couldn't park way over there or over there. You just had to shit on me. Wow, what a fucking asshole, bro. See this guy?
Look here, Oompa Loompa.
All right, guys, I'm out of here. See you guys next video.
The fuck out of here.
Hey, Dad, wait, whoa. Hey, when your whole gang can't park for shit. Gang. Hey,
Get the fuck out of here.
Okay, they are pretty small.
Yeah, my shit's like twice the one.
Hey, but we could have got them in perfect if we really wanted to.
Hey, at least mine is straight. Leo kind of crooked. Unlucky.
All of our shit. Look at me. We're all fucking crooked, dude. Alright, gang. Hey, what we getting? Some Panera, dog?
Fucking parking skill.
Hey, there's a pizza here, right?
Yeah, this is pizza,
Right there, they do.
Oh.
Oh yeah, right there, pizza. Sheesh, Leo. Okay.
I haven't did my pick on there.
You ain't down.
Dip it.
Dip it.
Dip it. Do it.
That shit slips.